Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Reclaim YouTube channel where we talk all things productivity, calendar hacks, and product updates from the Reclaim team. In today's video, we're talking meeting links, or scheduling links, or booking links, the links that you share with others to get meetings booked sooner, easier, and faster. Meeting links have been around for over a decade, with popular apps like Calendly really coming on the scene and trying to optimize the way that professionals book their meetings by sharing availability and allowing the invitee to choose a time that works for them that is also an open time on your calendar to get that meeting booked without the back and forth communication that traditional meeting scheduling requires. Now, while it seems like a foolproof solution to the problem, meeting links actually had a lot of issues and came under fire for being rude to send over a meeting link and generally just not addressing the problem as effectively as they could. The thing is, the average professional is juggling over 25 meetings a week. So balancing the meeting schedule and sending out meeting links that share your availability in a way that is flexible is super important. Last year, we surveyed over 800 busy professionals to see how they use their meeting links and found that on average, professionals use meeting links 7.1 times a week, and over 96.4% of users share a booking link at least once a week. We asked those users what their biggest issues were when sending out a meeting link, things that they were struggling with or that they felt tools on the market weren't effectively addressing. And the top 6 included prioritization, flexibility of links, sharing a meeting URL that didn't offer up enough availability via open time slots, rescheduling and canceling meetings that were booked via scheduling links, general ease of use of scheduling link apps, and issues around etiquette when sharing a link coming across as rude or impersonal. We took all of this feedback from users to develop a scheduling link feature and launched Reclaim's Smarter Scheduling Links for our many users who had requested an advanced scheduling link feature to address these issues. There are a couple of things that make Reclaim Scheduling Links stand out from other competitors. One, Reclaim Scheduling Links offer high priority links, allowing you to share a high priority meeting link that shares your maximum availability by showing tasks, habits, and smart one-on-ones as available times on your calendar, creating more open time slots for others to choose from. The thing is, not all meetings are created equal, and there's certain meetings that you are happy to accommodate your schedule to get in sooner versus meetings that you can afford to have book out into the future. Another capability that really addressed a lot of these issues was the option to add multiple flexible durations invitees could choose to book a meeting from. So instead of having to share a link that's an hour that you might not have a lot of availability for, you can add up to 3 different durations that people can choose to book from so that they can compromise by maybe selecting a 30-minute meeting versus an hour meeting that might be available sooner. Another thing we learned in our previous survey about how people are using meeting links is that to address the issue of not sharing enough availability with their meeting links, they were manually clearing events from their calendar to create more open time slots before sending out a booking URL. Obviously not the most productive or optimized way to schedule meetings or manage your calendar, which Reclaim Scheduling Links help address by opening up your habits, tasks, and smart one-on-ones as available times. So if a high priority meeting is booked over a scheduled event on your calendar, Reclaim automatically adapts your schedule to accommodate this new meeting, which makes it so much easier to book a meeting faster and sooner and takes out the stress of having to manually clear events from your calendar to open up time slots. In our prior survey, we found that 18.8% of meeting link users never had to do this. With Reclaim Smarter Scheduling Links, that number is up to 52.3%. That's 3 times as many users never having to accommodate their calendar to try and create open time slots before sending a scheduling link. For perspective, that's 47.7% of people never having to touch their schedule before sending a meeting link to make sure that there's actually enough open time slots for people to choose from. The great thing about Reclaim Scheduling Links in addressing these problems is that it actually understands your priorities. Being able to build out your productive weekly plan around your tasks and habits and other meetings, the Reclaim Scheduling Link feature allows you to share your availability with more flexibility and prioritization options, capabilities that other tools on the market weren't effectively offering their users. Since launching our scheduling links feature last year, we've had amazing feedback, and we recently sent out a follow-up survey to see how scheduling links were performing in comparison to other tools that users had used prior to Reclaim Scheduling Links. Overall, 89.4% of scheduling link users prefer Reclaim Scheduling Links to the alternative meeting booking links they were using before. Reclaim Scheduling Link users were able to offer 524% more availability when sending meeting links, book their meetings 15.3% sooner, had a a 78.8% reduction in issues with rescheduling and canceling meetings booked via scheduling links, a 64.5% reduction in issue prioritizing, being able to prioritize high priority meetings over others, and had a 77.4% reduction in issues around flexibility of links. Overall, scheduling link users had a 69.2% reduction in issues across the board, which is an amazing result in today's fast-paced professional world where you are already juggling so many meetings and responsibilities every week. Being able to really optimize your meeting scheduling process is such a big part of making the most of your time every week. By addressing these issues, we've given users back more time, reduced the need for back and forth communications trying to coordinate or re-coordinate a time to connect with others, and allowed them to book meetings flexibly around all the other things in their calendar by not only optimizing the meeting scheduling process, but also adapting your calendar around your task work, routines, and other meetings to accommodate high priority meetings and other changes in your schedule. Besides being a significantly more efficient way to schedule meetings, all of these benefits also play into creating a more human and approachable way to optimizing meeting scheduling with meeting links. By being able to share a meeting link right from the get-go that has enough availability, you show that you value getting a meeting on the books as soon as possible, which comes across much more genuine and positive than sending a meeting link that doesn't have availability on your calendar for the next 2 weeks. And with the ability to share multiple meeting durations, you also give the invitee more control over when they can get on your calendar by compromising with how much time they need with you, and takes out the stress of having to decide for them how much time they need with you when sending a set time meeting link. And we found that only 12.2% of Reclaim scheduling link users are first-time meeting link users, which means that these are professionals that are seasoned meeting link users who have found that Reclaim is the best option for them in comparison to other competitors like Calendly, Motion, or Clockwise, who offer similar tools, which awesomely highlights for us how much scheduling links are an improvement to other competitors on the market. We're so happy to see that the hard work the Reclaim team has put into this feature has improved the meeting booking experience for our users and seen amazing improvement the experience that users were having with issues around sending meeting links by improving across these top 6 pain points. Plus, scheduling links aren't the only thing that Reclaim offers. Reclaim builds out your perfect work week according to all your tasks, your routines, the things that you want to make time for on a regular basis, your one-on-one meetings, and now offering an advanced meeting scheduling tool with Reclaim's scheduling links feature so that you can get the right meetings booked sooner and faster around everything else that you have going on in the week. If you want to learn more about Reclaim scheduling feature, check out the description for links to relevant content, and sign up for free today with Google Calendar to see how Reclaim scheduling links compare if you are a meeting link user looking for an alternative. We're so excited to see users reporting such an incredible performance improvement with Reclaim scheduling links. If you are a Reclaim scheduling link user, let us know in the comments what you think, or if you have any questions, leave those down below and we'll get back to you as well. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. That's it for today, and I will see you in our next video.